Sorry about that. My program on my computer only lasts for 10 minutes and I wasn't paying attention and it ran out on me, but let's see. What do we do? Yeah, there was 68 total in the orange, and then I added the 28, which gave me 96, but there were 99 people altogether, so 99 minus 96 is 3 for that little blue area. Now, the question is, what's the question? The question is, how many attended the barn dance? Okay, barn dance, that was D, so that would be this circle here. And so inside that circle we have the 3 that I just found plus the 17, the 13, and the 16. Do you see them? 3, 17, 13, and 16. And so that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 6, and 3 is 49. So 49 people attended the barn dance. And that's how it's done. So let's see, what's next? Okay, this one shouldn't be too bad. This is one of those tables. Again, it's an exercise video similar to the one in the PowerPoint. The question is the cardinal number, yellow. Switch to a different color. Go back to yellow. The cardinal number of the set S S, which is seniors. That's where I'd be located. Intersected with A. And A is access codes. So you're looking for where the, I didn't do a very good job there, where the green overlaps the pink, and that would be right here. So the answer that goes in this box, 36. Now that wasn't too bad because it was an intersection. And then the last example is another one just like it. Okay, this time they want D minus the union between M and S. Okay, D are the podcasts, so that's this entire column here. But then they want you to remove M, which is middle-aged, that's this row here, unioned with S, which is senior, which is that row there. So they want you to eliminate that and that. So from the green column, take out middle-aged, which is the 6, senior, which is the 4. You're left with 6 here and 16 there. And 6 plus 16 is 22. And now I'm done. So that's section 2.4. And I hope I've shown you enough to get you through that section. Let me know if you have any questions.